Hello everyone, myself Akash Reddy from SVCE College of CSE AI department. So today's topic is the principles set out in a business chapter for a sustainable production. It's from the subject environmental protection and management. Contents. At first we are going through the introduction, next what is a business chapter, next why sustainable production is so important. At Next we are having the principles for a sustainable production. At last we are having the conclusion. So at first we are going through the introduction. What is sustainable? Sustainable production is the key to achieving a long-term success in any business. Uh, it is also said by upholding the principles of the business chapter, companies can ensure that they are operating in a way that is both profitable and environmentally responsible. So next, what is a business chapter? A business chapter is a set of principles that guide a company in their efforts to achieve sustainable production. These principles include reducing waste and renewable energy or renewable resources and minimizing implementation impact, etc. So next we're having why is sustainable production so important. Sustainable production is important because it helps companies to reduce cost, minimize risk and build a positive reputation with the customers and stakeholders. By operating a sustainable way operating system in a sustainable way, companies can also help protect their environment and promote a more equitable society. So next we are having the principles set in a business chapter. So we are having basically 10 principles. At first we are having resource efficiency. This principle emphasizes the responsible use of nature resources. Business Businesses commit to minimizing waste and maximizing the efficiency of the resource utilization in their production processes. Next, we are having renewable energy adoption. Companies pledge to transmission towards the renewable energy source to power their operations. This includes the use of solar, wind, hydro, and other sustainable energies and alternatives, etc. At the third place, we are having waste reduction and recycling. Business commit to reducing waste generation and implementation effective recycling program. This principle promotes the circular economy by ensuring that materials are reused and recycled whenever it's possible. At the fourth place, we are having pollution prevention. Companies undertake measures to prevent pollution and minimize emission of a harmful substance into the environment. This include air, water pollution as well as the responsible handling of a hazardous material which are manufactured by the manufacturing units, industries, etc. Product life cycle analysis. Firms conduct throughout the assessment of their products entire life cycle from the production to the disposal. This helps to identify opportunities for improvement in terms of environmental impact. At the sixth place, we're having supply chain sustainability. This principle emphasizes the importance of expanding sustainability practice throughout the entire supply chain. Businesses work with the supplier and partners to ensure that sustainable practices are upheld at every stage of production. Biodiversity conversion. Companies commit to protecting and preserving biodiversity in their operational areas. This involves measures to safeguard nature, habitats, and ecosystem from harm and degradation. So At the 8th plus, we are having employee welfare and well-being. The chapter promotes fair labor practice, including safe working conditions and safe and fair wages and opportunities for a personal and professional development. These include promoting diversity and inclusion within the workspace or a workforce, community engagement and social responsibility. Business actively engage with the local communities and contribute positively to the society. This can involve supporting local initiatives and providing employment opportunities and participating in and efforts. At the last, we are having transparency and accountability. Companies commit to being transparent about their sustainability efforts. This include disclosing relevant information about their environmental and social performance, as well as settling measurable target and reporting progress. Research. To conduct or support research on the environmental impacts of raw material products, process, emission, and waste associated with the enterprises on the means of minimizing such adverse impacts. Precautionary approach. To modify the manufacture, marketing, or the use of product or the service or the conduct of activities consistent with the scientific and technical understanding to prevent a serious or irreversible environmental degradation. So one more principle, transfer of technology to contribute to transfer of environmental sound and technology and management method throughout the industrial and public sector, and emergency preparedness to develop and maintain where significant hazards exist, emergency plans in conjunction with emergency service, relevant authorities, and local community re- recognizing potential transboundary impact. So at the last, we're having the conclusion. In conclusion, sustainable production is essential for companies that want to achieve a long-term success while also promoting social and environmental responsibility by upholding the principles of a business chapter and following the best practice. Companies can positive or position themselves for a sustainable future. Thank you.